there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Sage wig by Estetica. This is part of their Winter 2019 collection, and the color is R14/26H, which is a really pretty sort of dark golden blonde color. So, all right, this is my second attempt to make this video about Sage because, you know, when I'm kind of about stuff, it's hard for me to figure out exactly what to say, because I always want to make sure that my critique of something, if my opinion is critical, is fair. You know, I don't want to overstate things. So in this case, Sage is kind of an acquired taste. Honestly, I think that I know what they were going for. I just don't know if I agree with it, because honestly, to me, this wig looks like just a regular flipped bob with some extra choppy layers at the bottom. I'll do a 360 so you can kind of see for yourself what I'm getting at here. So here's the deal. Is it cute? I think it's pretty cute. Would I wear this? Probably not. You know, it's a little bit too twee for me. And I think that's just because anytime I see this flip at the bottom that goes in this direction, I almost always assume that it's kind of like a 1960s sort of arrangement, you know? It's just a bit not my speed. But I do think that this style is quite cute. You just have to know what you're buying. This is a very traditional bob that is only different here at the ends and the way that the ends are manipulated to give you this kind of deconstructed look. It doesn't mean it's a bad wig. It just means that, you know, it's something we've seen before. But it's easy to wear. It's adorable. It'd be great in an office. I think that this one is very cute. I love it in this color. The lace front is really nice. It has a monofilament left-hand side part, so you can't really change the part around. I love the length. I think the length of this style will be easy to pull off while still being nice and feminine. I feel like this one, for being something that's kind of derivative of a classic style, is still kind of fresh and forward-thinking due to that choppy layering here at the bottom. I also think that this wig is very comfortable on. The stretch caps from the Estetica line are fabulous. They have a lot of elastic in them, so if you have an average large cap circumference like I do, this brand is great for that because it really is quite accommodating. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I wanna show you the back in a little bit more detail because you can really see how choppy that layering is. But see how it just kind of flares? Choppy, 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 you know? So that's really the twist here with Sage compared to other styles, is that choppy layering. You do have permatease on the top. That lace front goes from the top of each ear tab. It is a contoured lace front, and it's pretty well done on this one. Okay. You can probably see that when it was on my head. There's that monofilament side part. It goes all the way back to the crown. There is felt that goes all the way around that U part on the top of the wig. We've got tracks here on the back and sides, hook adjusters, and an extended open nape. And as I mentioned, this is a very nice and stretchy wig. Most Estetica wigs tend to have a generous amount of stretch to them. So the finish on the fiber is quite matte, so this is not a shiny fiber. So if you're the kind of person that's really insecure in wigs that tend to have a high shine factor, particularly in synthetic, this one is a very low shine fiber. And I suspect, because I'm going to play with it for a second, that this one will actually look a lot cuter when she's a little messed up. And I'm not wrong. Cute, right? It's cute, but would you wear this every day? That was basically where I am with it. I think I would if it had more height. I'm not ashamed to admit that I love permatease when artfully applied to a wig. I don't like it when wigs just have a ton of permatease and it doesn't make any sense for the style, but I do like it when it does make sense because it sets off the rest of the cut and prevents it from laying flat. I don't know. I think the trend right now, you know, all of the Kardashians is to make the top as flat as humanly possible. And I just don't think it's a great look a lot of the time, but it depends on the person, depends on the day, depends on the style, I guess. So you be the judge. That's why I make these videos. I might not always showcase things I would want to wear myself, but that's not the point to me. The point is showing you things that you might want to wear, because what looks good on me may not look good on you, you know? What looks good on you may not look good on me, and that's a-okay. I'm still gonna show all of it to you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great night. Bye-bye.